Welcome to the activity for today. You'll need 3 dice. It can be little dice, big dice, medium-sized dice, doesn't matter what kind of dice, and a coin. Now, I've got one from New Zealand, which we're looking at a kiwi, which is on that, which will be known as the tails. The other side, Queen Elizabeth, would be heads. Unfortunately, Mr. Blair's not in New Zealand. He's quite happy to be in the UAE, where he has a Wundurham coin, and we have the 1. Now, that could represent the tails, and then we have the Della, the coffee pot, on the other side, which could be the heads. So let's use this coin. The whole point, you need to roll 3 dice. Then you need to make the biggest number you possibly can. So let's just roll that one, this one, and that one. I have scored a 6, and a 5. My job is to make the biggest possible number I can from those digits, which is pretty simple really. Surely that would have to be 6, 6, 5. So 665. My next mission is I need to flip this coin, remembering the 1 will be the tails, the Della will be the head. So if I flip this coin, I have landed on tails. So if that's the case, tails, how are you, Mr. Anthony? Tails, I need to round to 100. If I had landed on heads, I would have to round to the nearest 10. So I landed on tails, so now I'm referring to 100. I need to round that to the nearest 100. So 665 would actually become, go over here, 665. Because of the tails, I'm rounding to the nearest 100, 600, or 700. If I look at this as my hundreds, I have to go to the next place value, which is the tens. If this number is either a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then I round up to 700. If this digit here happen to be a 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, well then I go down to 600. For me, it was a 6, so I round up to 700. If I happen to land a heads, then I'm actually going to be looking at this next digit. You know, use the same rules. Okay? In that case, if I did roll a heads, I'd end up with 6, 6, 5. I could either go to 660, rounding down, or 670. In this case, I'd actually round up because I landed on a 6. Once you've done that, this is a game that you need to be filling in. Good to play with some friends. Get on top of that, see how you go. I'll speak to you later.